The sun is shining brightly. Kamla and Radha are picking vegetables in the field. Sweat is visible on their faces, yet both are smiling at each other warmly.
Mother, look how big this cauliflower has become. We will get a very good price for it in the market today.
Yes, my daughter, the reward of hard work is always sweet. And now quickly fill these baskets. The sun is getting stronger.
Mother, can I ask you something? Don't you ever get tired? You do everything alone. After my marriage, how will you manage all this? But mother, I will never leave you. I will build my home nearby so every morning I can bring tea for you myself.
Silly girl, daughters are like birds. One day they must fly away. You just stay happy. Don't worry about me.
Mother, sometimes I feel very sad. Does father never miss us? Where did he disappear for 19 years? Doesn't he know how grown up his daughter has become now?
Radha, sometimes it is better when some questions remain unanswered. Just focus on your work. Kamla and Radha are taking their vegetable cart toward the market. Several village women are gathered there.
Hey Kamla, did you hear the news? The mansion owner Shanti Devi distributed new shoes and sweets to the entire village today. Her son Vijay is finally returning home. New shoes? But mother, we didn't receive anything. And why would you receive anything, Radha? Your mother has such a bitter relationship with Shanti Devi that even her shadow is not allowed near the mansion. The whole village was invited except Kamla. Tell us, Kamla, why is that?
Vimla, keep your shoes and sweets to yourself. Remember one thing, charity can never change someone's destiny. And as for that mansion, even standing near its gate feels like a sin to me. A narrow street in Raipur. 20 years have passed, but Kamla has never forgotten the night when her entire world was destroyed. And today, the news of Vijay's return has reopened all her old wounds.
Mother, why are you suffering so much? Since morning, after hearing that Vijay, the son of the mansion owner, has returned, you have become completely silent. What connection do we have with that mansion?
Connection? That mansion is a wound in my heart, Radha. You were very little back then. Your brother Vijay had just been born. He was not even 4 days old when news came that your grandmother was very sick.
Then what happened, mother?
It was 5 in the morning. It was still dark outside. I had to leave immediately. Vijay was too small to travel with me. I could not carry him with me. I thought he would stay safe with Shanti Devi at the mansion. So I left him there and went to the village. But when I returned after 4 days...
Ramu, where is Vijay? I went to the mansion, but the gate was locked. And where is the owner?
That woman turned out to be a snake, Kamla. The moment you left, she took Vijay away from us. I begged her, but she said Vijay is her son now.
What? I will go there right now. I will call the police. I won't let this happen.
Quiet! Have you gone mad? She threatened that if you even step near the mansion or tell anyone the truth, she will kill Vijay. She has already taken him away to the city. Do you want your child alive? Or do you want to see his dead body?
Kamla falls to her knees and starts crying helplessly. She could never imagine that the mansion owner could do something so cruel. After that day, I became terrified, Radha. Your father told me that Shanti Devi had sent Vijay away to the city, and if we ever went near them, she would have us killed. For 20 years, I secretly looked toward the mansion walls, hoping that one day I might see my Vijay again.
Such a terrible betrayal. Mother, How can that woman be so heartless? Tomorrow itself I will go and speak to her.
No, Radha. They are powerful people. Just let Vijay return first. At least let me see my son once. Over the next few days, Radha keeps coming in front of Vijay again and again. Whenever Vijay steps out of the mansion, she somehow appears before him with some excuse.
Hey girl, why do you keep following me everywhere? What do you want from me?
Changing roads does not change your route, sir. The woman you call your mother, ask her what she did to a helpless mother 20 years ago. Ask her how she destroyed a mother's life.
What nonsense are you talking about? My mother has never harmed anyone.
Truth always sounds bitter, Vijay Babu. If you truly have courage, then come to our hut tonight. Then you will see what wounds your rich mother gave to our poor mother.
Vijay, why did you bring me here? This woman is trouble. Come, let's leave. I do not want to hurt you.
No, Mom. I want to know the truth. The way Radha spoke to me, something felt strange. I trust you completely. And that is why I brought you here with me.
You wicked woman, why did you come here? What did you did to me 20 years ago? Destroyed my entire life. Why did you take my child away from me? Why did you run away with him?
Enough! Mom, is it true? Am I this woman's son? Did you really take me away from her?
Kamla, what are you saying? I threatened you? No. The truth is, your husband Ramu came to me himself. He told me that you had abandoned your child and has run away with another man, that you would never return again. What? Ramu said that? Just then, a shadow appears from the darkness. It is Ramu. He is wearing expensive clothes and has a gold ring in his hand.
Yes, it is true. I did all of it. So it's you? At that time, I had no money. I wanted to go to the city and become a rich man. I knew Shanti Devi was desperate for a child. So I made a deal. I sent Kamla away to the village and sold Vijay to Shanti Devi. I lied to Kamla and told her that the mansion owner had run away with the child. And I lied to Shanti Devi that Kamla had abandoned her baby forever. I scared you by saying that Shanti Devi would kill Vijay if you ever went near the mansion. I created such fear and hatred between both of you that for 20 years you stayed enemies without knowing the truth. You sold your own son? You destroyed your wife's life for 20 years? All this just for money?
Kamla, please forgive me. My desire for a child blinded me. I believed every lie Ramu told me. Please forgive me, Kamla, please. When the sun of truth finally rose, pride of the mansion and the hatred of the hut both turned to ashes. Vijay found his real mother and Kamla got back the world she had lost. That day, everyone realized whether the walls belong to a mansion or a poor hut, they can never hide the truth forever. In the end, neither wealth won nor poverty. The true victory belonged only to a mother's pure and unconditional love.